Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely fabulous day. This week I will have 3 videos for you with Halloween projects. In today's video we're going to start with Halloween Papercraft bag, and I'm going to use Buckingham bag cutting die from Crafter's Companion. It is so elegant, and my challenge this year was not to buy any Halloween craft products. I just wanted to use whatever I've got in my stash, and when I had a look at this cutting die set, I thought it is perfect for the first Halloween project this year. I'm going to die cut all the elements first with black card, and this one is actually 300 GSM, so it's thick enough to create our base and also all the elements. And I really encourage you to use thicker card because it will make your project more sturdy. And now I'm going to die cut even those decorative elements, and I'm going to use low tack tape because we don't move those elements when we go through the die cutting machine. As you can see, it's just so beautiful and elegant, and it's perfect. And now we're going to die cut the same elements but with light green and purple card, and these colors together, they make such a beautiful Halloween project. And I really encourage you, have a look at your stash, what you can use. Just use Halloween colors and you will be done. And I'm pretty sure you will be very happy with whatever you create. To adhere all the elements, I'm going to use my one and only magic glue, liquid glue, and this way I'll make sure I've got enough time to maneuver all my elements, and I'm going to paper piece them. I started with the light green, and as you can see on the left hand side I've got white cards, and I put all those small pieces there, and as you can see they actually look exactly how the die is. So it is so much easier to move all those elements. As you can see, I use my finger or a pencil and I put all those tiny bits inside, and it is actually like a jigsaw puzzle because when you put those elements you can feel they actually fit inside really well. And now I'm going to show you how to put those purple elements because they are big enough and you can see it on the video. However, I really wonder what is your favorite and preferred way for paper piecing. How do you do it? Please let me know in the comments down below. Also, we've got one side of the bag, and now with all the leftovers we're going to create the second panel, which is with the other color combinations. So first we've got that light green and purple, and this time we've got that purple and green, and that will give your project really nice color variation and more interest. In the top right corner you can also check my other video where I created steampunk birthday cards. I hope you'll feel inspired to create something absolutely amazing this Halloween. Now, when we go back to our project, I really encourage you to use liquid glue because you really have that time to maneuver all those elements. Now I die cut Happy Halloween sentiment from Gold Mirror card. I have this die for a very long time, and I don't really know where it comes from because I lost the packaging. If you know, please let me know. It was one of my very first cutting dies in my collection, and I really like it. And as a bonus, it actually fits on this bag. And this Halloween Papercraft bag is perfect because yes, you can still put some sweets inside. It's perfect and it's so elegant. And I wonder, have you ever made a bag card? If you have, what did you use? Please let me know in the comments down below. Now, using one of the decorative smaller elements, I'm going to decorate that flap at the top. As you can see, I've got that light green color, and I'm going to use bigger purple pieces and adhere them inside, using again my one and only liquid glue. And this week, as I said, I'm going to have 3 Halloween projects for you. Tomorrow there will be another project where we're going to create a card with a very nice shape, so stay tuned for that. you really don't want to miss it. It will be amazing, I promise you. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell where you will be notified about any future videos. And I've got so many ideas to share with you, and it would be so amazing if you can put a comment there, because it always puts a big smile on my face when I read your kind words. And also on a Thursday I will have another Christmas project for you, so stay tuned for that. As you can see, I'm using my one and only liquid glue, and I'm putting all those flaps together. It is actually super quick and easy to do. If you have never used these bag cutting die sets, I really encourage you to do. These bags are just so easy to put together. And if you struggle, I didn't, but if you do, you can always use a chopstick or barbecue stick just to make sure you can push all those elements together. And our bag is nearly done. As I said, super quick and easy. And I really like that color combination. What do you think about this color combination? Would you add a little bit of orange, maybe a small pumpkin at the front? Let me know in the comments down below. And now, when everything is ready, what do you think about this bag? Do you like it? Would you give this project a go? I really hope you'll feel inspired to have a look at your stash and use whatever you've got and create a Halloween project with your Halloween colors, so purples, greens and blacks. Yes, let's go for it. Now, when the bag is ready, do you like it? Do you think it's elegant? Is it perfect for Halloween? Please let me know, what do you think? On the left, you can also check my other video where I created autumn bridge cards, and on the right, I've got a candle holder project for you. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. See you in my next video tomorrow. Bye for now.